everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Extensions Marketplace in VS Code. This is where you can add powerful tools to make coding easier, faster, and more efficient. First, open Visual Studio Code on your PC. Now look at the left sidebar and click the Extensions icon. You can also open it quickly by pressing Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Command-Shift-X on Mac. Once it opens, you'll see the Extensions Marketplace. In the search bar, type what you need. For example, you can search Prettier for code formatting or Python for programming support. As you can see, VS Code installs it right away, and most extensions work immediately without restarting. This is what makes VS Code so powerful. You can customize it for any programming workflow. And that's it. Thanks for watching.